How can you get a backyard space as beautiful yet functional as this one? I'm Brendan with theluxurypergola.com, and in this backyard renovations, we're going to be talking about zones. Now you may be asking, what are zones? Zones are a way to divide up an outdoor space to give it meaning and purpose. The best way to think about it is like rooms in a house. So you have one room that's for dining, one room that's for lounging. An outdoor space, you can take the exact same approach. So let me show you how. This backyard has three main zones. The first is going to be the sitting area underneath the balcony. The second is the breakfast nook / hot tub space. And the third is the living / dining space underneath the pergola. Zone 1 is a simple sitting area. The zone is created in two ways. First is through the shaping of the landscaping with retaining walls, pavers, concrete blocks, and pathways, which act as a hallway between the zones or rooms. The second is the purpose of the furniture in the space. Here we have several poly sitting loungers pointed towards the woods to emphasize the relaxing view and enjoyment of nature. Let's move into zone 2. This one is a sort of breakfast nook and hot tub space, finding a cohesive purpose in relaxation, enjoying a morning cup of coffee or a nice soak. Here I'll point out the lights on the pathways, retaining walls, and stairs. These not only give a nice pop in the space, but actually allow for better usage and safety when outside, usually in the early mornings, evenings, or night. Finally, the third zone, which is going to be the living and dining area. So this zone is defined by the luxury pergola giving shade to the whole space. It's an onyx frame with sandstone louvers. They also added a fan to where the two pergola bays meet to keep the space underneath cooler. And since this is a 2-bay unit or super pergola, they have two separate sides. One is the classic living area, while the other side is set up for dining with tables and chairs. What do you think of this backyard space? Anything you would have done differently? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see more backyard renovation breakdowns, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon. Thanks for watching.